poison will be organic irritant poison. Botanical name is Semicarpus anacardium. Synonyms are Agnimukhi and Bhalli. Toxic parts will be seeds and toxic chemical constituents are Bhilavonal. Rasapanchakas constitute Rasa will be Katu Tikta Kashaya, Guna will be Laghu Snigdha Tikshna, Virya will be Ushna, Vipaka will be Madhura. Important formulations are Amrita Bhallataka Lehya, Kankayani Vati, Bhallataka Kshira Paka. Fatal dose could be 5 to 10 grams or 5 to 8 seeds. Fatal period is 12 to 24 hours and the therapeutic dose is 1 to 3 ratti. Signs and symptoms. External application. When the juice is applied to the skin, it causes irritation and painful blisters containing acidic serum, which causes an eczematous eruption on any part of the skin with which it comes into contact. The lesions caused by this resemblance a bruise which may later ulcerate and slough. Internal administration. When the juice is internally administered, it is much less irritant, but when taken in large doses, it causes blisters in the mouth, throat, and severe gastroenteritis and dyspnea, hypotension, dilated pupils, and may even lead to coma and death. Postmortem appearance. Bruise-like blisters are seen in area of contact. Blisters are seen in the mouth, throat, and stomach, which are congested and inflamed. Stomach congested and inflamed. Liver may show degenerative changes. The medico-legal importance. Accidental poisoning may result from the administration of juice internally by quacks. Homicidal and suicidal poisoning is rare, but some cases are noted. For criminal abortion, the juice of nut is applied to the cervical os. Sometimes the juice is introduced into the vagina as a punishment for infidelity. To support a false charge of assault, the juice is applied to the skin, which produces lesions simulating bruises. The juice is used to produce ophthalmia. The juice may be thrown into the body to cause injuries by the enemies. Shodhana. The seeds are put into a bag containing coarse brick powder with which they are rubbed carefully with a view to reduce oil contents. Then it is removed, washed and dried. Such bhallataka without taila and tvak is called as shuddha. Treatment will be, the treatment is mainly symptomatic. When applied externally, the parts are washed with water and bland liniments are applied. Antidote is coconut oil for this. Arka. The type of poison is irritant poison. Botanical name is Calotropis gigantea. Synonyms are Suryakshira, Pratapa, Arkaparna. Toxic part is milky juice yield when leaves and stem are cut. Toxic chemical substituents are calactin and gigantin. Signs and symptoms. External application. When applied external to skin, it causes redness and inflammation and vesiccation. When instilled into eyes, it produces irritation, inflammation, conjunctives, and may also result in permanent impairment of vision. Internal administration. When taken internally, gives rise to acrid, bitter taste and burning pain in throat and stomach, followed by salivation, stomatitis, vomiting, diarrhea, dilate pupil, and may even lead to death. Rasapanchaka constitutes Rasa will be Tikta and Katu, Guna are Laghu, Ruksha and Tikshna, Virya will be Ushna, Vipaka will be Katu. The fatal dose is uncertain, but the fatal period is half to 8 hours. Shodhana is Arkakshira is titurated with Chinchaotra Swarasa. Postmortem appearance. Signs of irritation in the intestine and stomach, bloody discharges in nostrils and mouth, congestion of small intestine, liver, spleen, kidneys, congestion of brain and its membrane, heart is empty, trachea was inflamed. Medico-legal importance. Abortifacient, used for infanticide by mixing in milk to produce artificial bruise, rarely employed for suicide or homicide, ingestion overdosage in therapeutic misuse, is caused as a catchil poison and an arrow poison. Important formulations are Arkalavana, Arkatailya, Arkeshwara Rasa, and the treatment is stomach wash, administration of demulcents and stimulants and other drugs indicated by symptoms, And the antidote will be Palasha. Snuhi. Type of poison will be irritant poison, and the botanical name is Euphorbia nerifolia. Synonyms are Sudhakshira, Sudhadukta. The toxic part is an acid, that is milky juice excluded from the stems. Toxic chemical constituents are calcium malate and euphorbin. Rasapanchaka constitutes Rasa will be Katu, Guna will be Snigdha and Tikshna, Virya will be Ushna and Vipaka will be Katu. The fatal dose is a teaspoonful of juice. A fatal period is 3 days. Important formulations are Snuhi Kshira Ghrita, Mahamarichadya Taila. Method of Shodhana. 2 phalas of Snuhi is taken along with 2 tola of filtered Chinchapatra Swarasa in a clean wide-mouthed container. The vessel is placed under sun and dried until the watery content is evaporated totally. Postmortem appearance. Not specific and characteristic. Gangrenous patches in stomach. Spleen may be found in a rotten condition. Medico-legal importance. Used for producing criminal abortions. Rarely used for homicidal purpose. Juice is poured into ice as a punishment for infidelity. Accidentally not common. Signs and symptoms. External application. When applied to skin, produces vesication. When dropped into eye, it produces inflammation and may affect the eyesight. Internal administration is acts as irritant, causing vomiting, diarrhea, convulsions and coma. It is also used for procuring criminal abortion. Treatment is stomach wash, administration of drugs indicated by symptoms. Langali. Type of poison is organic irritant poison. The botanical name is Gloriosa superba. Synonyms are Agnijihva, Swarna Kusuma. Toxic part is the root and the toxic chemical constituent is Colchicine superbin. Rasapanchaka constitutes Rasa will be Katu and Tikta, Guna will be Laghu and Tikshna, Virya will be Ushna and Vipaka will be Katu. The fatal dose is greater than 0.75 grams and the fatal period is not specific yet. The important formulations are Langalyadi Vati, Langali Taila, Langalyadi Churna. The methods of Shodhana will be the tuber is soaked in Gomutra for a day. One more reference states that the tuber is cut and soaked in takra mixed with Saindhava Lavana for 5 days. Every day the takra should be changed. Signs and symptoms are burning and numbness in the mouth and throat, nausea, violent vomiting, spasms, convulsions, and respiratory failure even. The treatment will be symptomatic. The patient should be treated for shock. It is important to maintain the blood pressure. Post-mortem appearance. No specific features are noticed. Medico-legal importance. Used as an abortifacient in criminal abortion as it is an uterine stimulant. Karavira. Type of poison will be cardiac poison. Botanical name is Nerium odorum. Synonyms are Ashwamohaka, Karavira. Toxic part is all parts, especially seeds, stems and root. Toxic chemical constituents are Nereoderian, Carabin and Oleandrin. Rasapanchaka constitutes Rasa will be Katu and Tikta, Guna will be Laghu, Ruksha and Tikshna, Virya will be Ushna and Vipaka will be Katu. Fatal dose is 5 to 15 leaves and 15 to 20 grams of root. The fatal period will be 24 hours and the therapeutic dose is half to 1 rati. Signs and symptoms include locally contact dermatitis. Inhalation of flowers may cause headache, dizziness, respiratory difficulty and nausea. Ingestion. Nausea, vomiting, pain in abdomen, difficulty in swallowing, frothy salivation, lockjaw and muscular twitching and tetanic spasms of extremities. Tachycardia and slow and weak pulse, respiratory paralysis and death due to cardiac failure. Postmortem appearance. These consist of signs of gastrointestinal irritation, the congestion of various organs, generalized engorgement of veins and subendocardial ecchymosis. Yellow oleander resist putrefaction and can be detected even years after death in exhumed putrefied bodies. Medical legal importance is suicidal is very common, accidental by its misuse, used to produce illegal abortions, also used as cattle poison. It used as a love filter. It increases the attraction between the giver and the taker. Treatment is gastric lavage, symptomatic treatment, atropine, adrenaline, noradrenaline may be used to increase heart rate, correction of fluids and electrolyte balance, maintenance of blood pressure, and the treatment of arrhythmias and heart block. That's all for today, guys. Let's meet with another video. Till then, take care and be safe. I'm signing out, Dr. Aisha. Bye bye.